Katz water technologies will economically purify and recycle produced water on site. As operators in oil and gas are wrestling with a number of water management logistics issues. Constraints, higher cost. As saltwater disposal wells are heavily utilized and under increasing pressure, driving seismicity concerns. Cheaper alternatives are needed. Operators are looking for a low-cost, modular, comprehensive on-site solution, which Katz water technology has, as well as a patented modular water processing advantage, which produces byproducts, salts, purified water, as well as solid metals for recycling. This provides a true competitive advantage, multiple revenues in the water processing market, the brine drilling salts market, purified water sales, as well as metal recycling. For existing water management logistics in the place for oil and gas operators dealing with their produced water from the production of oil and gas, which moves either by truck or by pipeline to saltwater disposal wells, which are heavily utilized and under increasing pressure and might not be where these operators are currently drilling. Therefore, they're seeking a solution like Katz Water's modular on-site, which will address their optimization as well as achieving lower cost. By being on-site, moving the produced water into the Katz Water patented equipment, producing purified water, brine concentrates, as well as metals for recycling. This creates a new circular economy business model, which is a true service to the operators, taking the produced water, going through a pre-treatment, and then moving it through the Katz Water XVAP purification system, which ensures that the total drilling solids are removed. And these salts, can be turned into drilling and completion fluids. The purified water can be used on site in further drilling operations, can be made available to industry processes, as well as agricultural use. And the metal recycling does not have to be disposed in a landfill. Katz, from 2017, has been exploring designs, models, and patents, going through their product development phase. And here in 2018, they're close to having working prototype for lab testing to get results and are preparing for field trials to demonstrate the proof of concept of their technology. And in 2019, they'll be commercializing. For Katz has a very accomplished team with many years of experience. Noted achievements in 2017, they were working with NSF Corps, Clean Tech, the Shell Game Changer, making it to the final funding gate, and have achieved a number of letters of support from Praxim as well as PFP Industries. And in 2018, 3 new patents have been submitted. They're submitting grants for InRail as well as the Austin, Texas incubator program that they're in this summer. Further exploration with NSF Corps as well as NIN2, and additional letters of support from companies like Texas Solar Outfitters. There are a number of collaboration opportunities from R&D partners, the research grant money, such as what we spoke to with InRail and NSF, investor partners, field test partners such as Chevron and Shell, strategic partners, business channels that are available, and royalty sharing. From a short-term stage 1, they're in the process of developing this technology and will be testing the technology this month. And in early 2019, we'll be commercializing the technology with the long-term strategy to grow the company organically, have an IPO, by creating a new circular economy to solve the world's water problems. As we know, the water midstream business, we can introduce a new service model and have the sales of recycled components, the salts as brine drilling fluids, metals to be recycled. We know that a number of things are available: investor ownership, return on investment, the intellectual property, innovative technology, as well as a business model. And we're looking to minimize risk by knowing we're going to operate in multiple revenue streams with a transportable modular system, a strong IP portfolio with a number of patents, both being awarded as well as being sought. And there's multiple verticals for this technology: solar desalination, military, for water on ships, refining, as well as heavy manufacturing. For further information, please contact Gary Katz of Katz Water Technologies.